Hey, Pavel, so good to meet you. Pavel from Aleph One here at hashtag B2BSMX, the B2B Sales and Marketing Exchange Conference. And you were just talking about AI, and you said something that I said, do you mind if I record?
For sure,
It was such a good nugget. Please tell us what you think about AI.
So with Aleph One, we've been working a lot with AI companies. We launched our own incubator, and I'm seeing a lot of the work that's being developed with how companies are working. And my belief is that AI will never replace the human element. The companies that will succeed long term are the ones who has great people working with AI, knowing how to use AI. The companies that replace their marketing team with only AI will be replaced themselves, because at the end of the day, if everyone's using the same AI tools, the question of positioning, differentiation all come up again. And it takes some creativity and seeing a new perspective and using that AI technology to its fullest.
Pavel, you have a product, right? And tell us a little bit about it and tell us how we can look it up.
So there's a few things that we have launched. The most recent is an end-to-end content generation tool called fillyourcontentcalendar.com. You can find it at fillyourcontentcalendar.com. Check it out, sign up, and see how you can create long-form content using generative AI on a systematic basis for your marketing team.
Pavel, awesome to meet you today, and thanks for letting me put you on the spot and talking a little bit about AI. You're awesome.
Thank you.